up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now, we got something a little different. It's not a little new. I've been told about this up-and-coming girl group that's coming out called XG. That it girl, you know what I'm saying? They that girl group. XG. We're gonna be checking out the vocal performance to see what's up before. I think they debut March 18th, if I'm not correct. Yeah, March 18th. Down to check out the vocal performance and rap performance, and then maybe y'all can put in the comments down below what you guys think of this new girl group as well. I've been hearing good things. I mean, I'm about to check out this vocal performance. It has almost 1 million views. Okay. Rap performance, almost 1 million views as well. Wow. Okay. Here we go. I actually never heard of XG, so this came out of nowhere, but it's been recommended to me a lot, whether it be on my Discord or DMs or stuff like that. So I was like, okay, let me check them out. And without further ado, let's check out XG in 3, 2, 1. Play my intro. I think I want to start with the vocal performance, actually. I want to see how their vocals, be. But these are also like, again, this is a new girl group, They're hella young. So, what's good, sis? How you doing? Nice to meet you. Vocal performance, let's get it. They're doing a Peaches remix, like Justin Bieber's Peaches. Alright, let's go.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. I like the trees in California.
Girl, I've never heard anyone say California like that so beautifully. California. Oh, that's my rendition. That's expectation versus reality.
California. I took my man up to the north, yeah. I get my labor from the source, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, say, oh, it's the way I breathe you in.
Damn.
It's the texture of your skin.
Okay, girl.
Arms around you, babe. Never let you go.
Never let you go.
There's nothing like your time. It's
Damn.
the way you left me.
Goosebumps, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bring it up.
Right here
Get the vocals out.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I like the trees
nice
in
little remix.
California. That's that shit. I took my man up to the north. I'm a badass bitch. I get my labor from the
Okay. She said she a badass bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ooh, you and show, yeah. But I'm for you. All I can want, all I can wish for. Nights alone, that we miss more. Days we save souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time.
Okay.
Give you my whole life.
You better pop off. Let's go.
Hate to even call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold you? If you
Girl said R&B. She just said R&B. I like the vibe of this too.
Got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit.
The
The trees in
harmonies.
California.
Nice,
That's that
nice.
shit. I took my man up to the north. I'm a badass bitch. I get my labor from the source. Yeah. I get
Okay.
the feeling, so I'm sure.
Okay, break it down.
I'm yours. I can't pretend I can ignore. You're right for me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. No. Don't be distracted.
Okay, your turn.
I need this right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest with mine, and I'll be right here with you till the end of my peaches.
Your turn.
I like the trees in California.
Okay, actually, I don't know. I just realized I don't know any of their names yet. I definitely have to look into that. But already off the bat, I'm actually curious to see what their actual debut sounds like, because this is a remix cover. Ooh. The background vocals.
In California, I get my peaches out in Georgia.
Ah, nice little remix.
The trees
Okay.
in California, yeah.
I also like the trees in California. Okay.
I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go.
Nice. Good. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. X-Gal X. But XG. Is X-Gal... What is X-Gal? Is that the group name? Or XG is what X... Someone could... If someone actually knows, put in the comments, please, please, please. Were they actually trained in YG? I'm just looking at the comments, and I actually did not know that. Ooh, I'm kind of interested even more. Let's go. Alright, y'all. We're gonna check out the rap performance next, cause that's the next one. I can't wait for that. Anyways, let me set it up. Hold on for a second. Don't leave. Just leave a like and just chill in the comments for a second. You better spam them comments with your favorite emoji. Chill Bill. Oh, like Chill Bill, like Kill Bill. Oh! If you guys hear someone in the background, that's my girlfriend. Obviously, this is from Kill Bill, but a remix version. I can't wait to hear the rap on this beat, though. This is a fire beat, by the way. I love this beat already. Hey, 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 hey.
J-U-R-I-N looks deceiving. Y-I-N.
Okay.
Babbles, Robin Babbles.
Get,
Apex Soda, hard skin. Bars hit a lit, killer slick. Pirate on the beat, bars got flames. Cyberpunk, neon lights in your mind. When I rhyme, make your eyes dilate.
Hey, hey.
Fly for a purpose, mom's gotta eat and a girl gotta live.
What you say?
Ride for the drive, I'ma die for the drive, cause the girl gotta leave.
Hey, hey.
Cry by the man, please. Married to the plan, get it. Tunnel vision through the neon glow. Bust a flow, what you see and fall. Hey, 이치 Nissan. So get it
that's
down, it's
switch
a
up.
freestyle. Running shades, 마지막 부시 나 맨날 마이 킬라 시다 밀라
Hey, 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 hey.
この先なら limitless. Negativity は全て eliminate.
Okay.
気がついたら達して異次元。これなら easy game. Nobody can imitate, no. Turn me up, turn me up. まだ
Turn her up. She said turn me up twice. You better turn her up.
これなら easy game. Nobody can imitate, no. Turn me up, turn me up.
Okay.
まだ足りない、まだ足りない。ささ波から big crave バトルも。肉とすら感じる瞬きが Don't wanna miss it, no. Don't wanna miss it, no. 出てもう一回。
I feel like she touching me like my nose. Don't wanna miss it. Nah.
瞬きが Don't wanna miss it, no. Don't wanna miss it, no. 出てもう一回全てがハイライト。突き抜けた先ある世界確かめたいな。I'ma show you around with the land, no Ellis. Push down, make it feel the black, no malice. But then when your ass got clean, it's a habit. Stone cold when the flip, boys gotta have it. Young got a boss with it. Amy got a flow, send a penny for your
that's her
clothes.
eye,
Gimmicks
bro. She
flow,
killing
when my
it.
chit chat's close like a big cat. Punchlines make you run it back, no tenant. Flow that gas and my flow right past my whisk on screen. Straight forget your book gas when my lights turn CeeLo green. Rat race funny when I'm walking on the cheese. Ask when it's 20 cause I get it from my G's. This life tastes got too, yeah, I pay the fees. I'ma get it how I live, yeah, I be doing me.
As you should. You be doing you, you should. Be you. Oh, that's it. I like that these little performance, they're basically just teasers to like, you know, see what this group is capable of. XG. Ah, what did the comments say? These girls are scary. Like, how did YG get such unique talent? Girl. Hey, it just be there. You just gotta show it, you know what I'm saying? There's talent everywhere. You just gotta show it. I'm already a fan. To be honest, I might be just a fan already. And that's already really early, so I have to check out the dance stuff, and of course the debut stuff too, before I'm like, I'll just check out their music more, kinda ish. But XG, okay. Well, that was the vocal performance and rap performance. If you guys want to check out those two, link in the description. Again, I think their debut is March 18, March 18. Anyways, put a comments down below what you guys think of XG so far. Or if you already know about XG, please educate me in the comments down below of who this group is and what you think of it. And check the links in the description, join the Discord, follow me on Twitch, all the social media, Instagram, TikTok. We out here everywhere. Of course, YouTube. Hit that like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.